Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, being best at the best and the real at the real. Last week, Spice released her video for Cool It, which is topping the charts. It was #1 trending on YouTube, and now it's almost at 1 million views. Spice also released a new song called No Gal, and it's now on all digital platforms. Earlier this week, Buju Banton Speaks Long Walk to Freedom tour launch. He announced that his first stop on his tour will be Jamaica, as we know, on March 16th.
This is Buju Banton. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for coming out tonight. I want to thank you all for making time from your busy schedule to be here with us. I want to thank our sponsors. Yes, those who saw it fitting to come together in the spirit of unity to make something of this magnitude happen here in Jamaica. I want to thank those in the media, the print media, radio, television, for their love and their support over the years, and especially at this time. On the 16th of March, the National Stadium will be a venue.
After that announcement, a few days later, the tickets were released, and let me tell you, it was a big piece of progress. The site had stated that the tickets will be released at 11 a.m. on January 17th, and as soon as tickets were released, both Buju Banton's website and the ticket website both crashed. So fans and supporters wondering, how will we get our tickets to go see the first concert of Buju, who just came out of jail? With the help of Buju Banton's team, the site was up and running, and people went crazy to get those tickets. This past weekend, Cyclone and Conscience were on set for their video Make It Clap. Here's a clip of that.
Yeah, now put on my white shirt. But the DJ sit down there. Up, moving up. Make it clap for the ladies, them, you know. You know the thing, man.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.